In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unfriend someone and BeReal application. So first of all, and of course, you would like to go and download BeReal application if you don't have it on your phone. You can do that of course through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Of course, after doing that, you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my BeReal application, as you should of course. Here, that will be actually on my screen. You can add a friend, post a BeReal if you want, or you can just follow the steps of what I'm going to tell you if you want to unfriend someone on BeReal application on 2022. So here, you would like to go to the top left corner and click at like the add friends icon there. So if you go and click on there, you'll have here add friends. Of course, you can search it by username. So as you can see here, you don't have any friends yet. Consider adding some friends. So if you actually have friends, if you want to unfriend them, just go here to the friends list. And of course, for me, I have 0 friends. But if you do have some friends, they will actually appear here to you. And if you want to like remove them, you'll have 2 options. You'll have an X option at the right of the friend. You can just go and click on that, then click at unfriend or delete. Or you can click at them and go to their profile, then click at unfriend. And they will ask you, so you won't be able to see your friend's BeReals anymore, and you will no longer be visible to him, and the same will happen to the user as well. He will not be able, or he will not be longer visible to, or you will not be longer visible to him. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.